Welcome to Uttara Shrini's kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
Today, I'm going to make Churumuri, a variant of bhel puri. These are easy to prepare and loved by all. Let's get started. Chop onion, chop tomato, chopped cucumber, grated carrot, grated beets, chopped mango, cilantro, roasted peanuts. You can substitute this with fried peanut, coconut oil. Coconut oil simply elevates the taste of churmuri. Puffed rice, asafoetida, churumuri spice blend. To make churumuri spice blend, in a mixing bowl, add equal amount of coriander powder, salt, Kashmiri chili powder, black pepper powder, cumin powder, turmeric. Mix well. In a mixing bowl, add the chopped vegetables, one and a half tablespoon of churumuri spice blend. Adjust spice blend according to your taste. Roasted peanuts, coconut oil, and mix well. Add the puffed rice and mix well. Add a pinch of asafoetida and mix well. Transfer the prepared churumuri to a serving dish and garnish with cilantro. Enjoy this sweet, sour, spicy and crunchy churumuri with your loved ones. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thanks for watching. If you like my channel, like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon to receive our updates.